Ready to learn how to make planners to sell without needing Amazon KDP? A lot of people think that the only time people purchase planners is during the New Year's resolution season, but that's actually not true. People purchase planners year round. It all just depends on their needs at the time and the planner that solves that problem. So if you want to start adding planners to your product line as an author, it is such a great idea, such an easy way to add additional revenue for you. And I'm going to show you how to do it in this video. Now, just a huge disclaimer for you. I am a big advocate of having your own business as an author, not just a generic planner that you're selling, because then anybody can copy you, but having your own author brand. This way, you are in your own lane. There is no competition because people want to buy from you. So if you don't know how to start your own author business, make sure you watch my free 3-day challenge where I'll teach you how to do it. The link is at christianbusinesstoolkit.com. Step number 1 for how to make planners to sell without needing Amazon KDP, choose your niche. Choose your niche. So your niche is just the problem that you solve with your planner. That niche needs to be in alignment with your author brand. And if you don't know what an author brand is, it's just what people know you for online. So basically, we want to create a brand reputation online where people come to us to solve a specific problem. Here at Godlywood Girl, you guys know, I'm putting out content, helping authors make money, right? That is the problem I want to solve because I've been there from 2009 all the way to 2014. I wasn't making money with my book, so I understand. So that's the brand I'm wanting to create as an author. So you want to make sure that you know what your niche is, the problem you solve, because everything you put out, including your planner, needs to be in alignment with that niche. So the easiest way for me to find a niche is just to go to Amazon.com, right up over here where it says all, select that and select books, and then start typing in planner. And you'll see what is currently trending just in keyword searches in your area. So planner 2025, planner for women, homeschool planner, garden planner. I like this homeschool planner. That's a nice niche. And then also I can hit enter. Over here, sort by featured and click bestsellers. So a diet planner is currently trending. That's pretty good. The longevity plan, peace of mind planner. Oh, belongings, business affairs. So like an end of life planner. That's interesting. A wedding checklist planner, a marketing planner. So because my niche is for authors, I'm going to go with a marketing planner, but just go through the results and see what works best for your niche. Step number 2 for how to make planners to sell without needing Amazon KDP, go ahead and design your planner for that niche. Design your planner for that niche. Now in this video, I'm not going to teach you how to make custom planners with your own framework. I'm just going to teach you how to get a generic template, copy and paste, and list your planner for sale. It's one of the quickest ways to add planners to your product line as an author. Just make sure it's in alignment with what you actually do. If you are an author who writes romance novels, then your planners should probably be for girls who read romance novels, like a book reading list planner or a book review planner. If you're somebody who helps nurses, then your planner should be something that a nurse could use, right? If your author brand helps entrepreneurs, then your planner should be something that helps them with entrepreneurship, with business. Everything needs to be in alignment. So when you're designing your planner, choose the template that's going to most align to the problem you solve. Because I'm selling mine as a printable planner, I'm going to make my digital marketing planner 8.5 by 11. So just go to canva.com. And we can go, look, there's a templates and apps app, or you can just type in. So I'm going to type in marketing planner and I'm going to select here, Canva templates, hit enter. Now it's going to give me a bunch of marketing planners. So this looks pretty perfect. Oh, this is the pro. I'm on my free account. I always do my demos on the free account because I want you guys to be able to do exactly what I'm doing. But man, this was a good one. So let me see. Content planner, that's a good one too. This isn't bad. Weekly marketing planner. All right, I'll just go with this one, whatever. So when you find one, go ahead and click it. Click customize this template. So I just need to switch out my colors just so that somebody can print this at home. So this color, I'll make like a light gray, change all. This color, I'll make a dark gray, change all. This color, I'll make a darker gray. And then here, author school christianauthorschool.com. All right, so that's my planner, my printable planner. So now I just need to make myself a little cover page. That's it. That's my planner. Beautiful. And then now up here, go to share, then click download, and then you're going to select PDF print because we want them to print this out at home. So that's flattened so that nobody has any issues embedding anything, and click download. And step number 3 for how to make planners to sell without needing Amazon KDP, list your planner for sale on your website and start marketing. So this step is the step that's going to make the most money. If you go ahead and list your planner for sale only on Amazon and you make sales only on Amazon, Amazon takes 65% of your revenue if you price anywhere outside of the $2.99 to $9.99 profit margin, which you're going to do, of course. So you want to make sure that you are listing for sale on your own website. Now, you can fulfill your planner orders through Amazon KDP. KDP has amazing books, and they do allow you to drop ship their books. On their website, they say you can resell their author copies. It's totally okay with them. So you can still print and ship your books through KDP. That's great. But making the sale, actually selling to your customer, having them take out their credit card and put it into your website and purchase, do that through your website because then you get to keep more of the profit. If you want to see the exact differences in profits, make sure you watch this video that I recorded. Literally, I put the same book on KDP, the same book on my own website, and you will see the difference in sale money. It's insane. I'm so excited to show you how to build your website quickly using AI. A huge shout out to hostinger.com. They have sponsored today's video and they've given me a discount code for you guys. Go to hostinger.com/Godlywood Girl. Go ahead and pick your plan. I love the business plan. You get multiple websites, and the best thing, 0% transaction fee. So when you make a sale, you actually get to keep it. So go ahead and click choose plan. And then what I love about Hostinger, the longer the period that you choose, the less you'll pay each month. So if you do the 48-month plan, oh my goodness, look at this. Like if you were on Shopify, it would be $29 per month, no matter how long you're on there. I love that about Hostinger. They reward your longevity. And you'll also get free additional months included when you do the longer period plan. And then over here where it says have a coupon code, click that and type in Godlywood Girl, and shout out to Hostinger. They gave me a 10% off coupon exclusive for you guys. Just put in Godlywood Girl and it'll take 10% off your order. So go ahead and click continue. And then it's going to land you on the AI website builder. Select the Hostinger website builder and then go ahead and put in your information. So this one is a digital marketing planner. And I'll say, I create printable marketing planners for authors to use so they can promote their books successfully on social media. And then create a website. Make sure you have your add online store to my site checked off. It should automatically be checked off. And then click create a website. And look at this. Look at this. We have a website. How cool is this? We have a website. That took minutes. So over here, just click continue. So here, click add product. This is a digital product. So click here, upload images, and go ahead and upload the front page of your planner. Hostinger has an AI generator. It's going to literally write the marketing copy for you. It's so cool. Excellent. And then set your price point. I'm okay with $15. You're going to select your product. So I forgot to download it, but I'm just going to pretend. Click open. You're going to select that PDF. I'll click save. And now it's going to take you to your products dashboard. So these additional products, just select them and delete. Hostinger just gave you really good ideas basically for what products you can create. But for now, just delete those. Excellent. Now our product is available for sale. So now right up here where it says edit website, click there. And you just have to finish building out your homepage and that's it. You are done. So Hostinger is what you see is what you get. If you want to change something, you just click it and change it. So I'm just going to change this. Digital marketing planners for authors because I don't have a discount. And then I'm just going to turn off my logo under elements, turn that off. I'm going to get rid of my extra pages. I want the home page. I want the shop page. I do not want the blog page. So on the left here, I'll go to pages and navigate. You see where it says blog, click those 3 buttons and just click delete, delete. I recommend leaving the contact page because you always want to be building your email list. Now back on my home page, like I said, this is what you see is what you get. So you can just click on stuff and change it. For shop, I'm going to click here, click edit button, link to page, and select your product. Same thing here, click here, edit button, link to page, select your product. Excellent. So that's done. Over here, I can also click here, edit button. It's basically just giving your potential shopper a bunch of touch points to purchase your product. We want it everywhere. So if you have multiple products, you can keep this like this. If you just wanted to show one product, just click this add section button and then go ahead and select, whoops. So if you do that, just delete. That's what I but this is actually a nice little background though. So click add section. On the left here, select online store, select single product, click edit section, go to product and choose your product. Look how gorgeous that is. So I'm going to delete this section since I don't need it. If you have testimonials, keep that. If you have testimonials, keep that. Modify this how you want. So for example, I don't have contact info, so I would just delete all that. I would delete the social media stuff, but that's it. That's my website. You see how quick that was? So once you're all done, click save and make sure you preview it. It's right over here. Click preview. And then you can scroll down. Look how gorgeous this is. Took me literally 5 minutes, which is insane. And once you're all done, connect your domain, click save, and then just click go live. And you are ready to start promoting your book. How insanely fast is that? Go to hostinger.com/Godlywood Girl. Use discount code Godlywood Girl at checkout to get 10% off your plan. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Hostinger, for making this so easy for us to build websites. Now, if you want to learn how to create your own custom planners or, your own nonfiction books, Bible study guides, daily devotionals, prayer journals, the works, I have an incredible program for you called the Godlywood Girl Faith-Based Author School, which includes multiple tutorials that show you step-by-step how to write and self-publish your own faith-based books. Let me give you a little sneak peek. Hey, it's your girl, Steph Rodnez, and if you've been struggling to move forward on your journey as a faith-based author, I've created a brand new community called the Godlywood Girl Faith-Based Author School, just for women like you who want to move forward in your purpose as a woman of Christ, writing books. The school includes the Author Toolkit, which has 10 tutorials for 10 different types of Christian books you can write, including nonfiction books, daily devotionals, prayer journals, ebooks. There's a lot in there. You'll get access to the Godlywood Girl Book Funnel Toolkit, which shows you how to take your book, bundle it up, and put it into a sales funnel, including a lead magnet funnel, a tripwire funnel, and my very favorite, a webinar funnel. You'll get access to the book promotion toolkit, which shows you how to create a marketing plan to promote your funnel, because in order for people to buy our books, right, we have to tell them about it. And that's what the marketing toolkit shows you how to do. Plus, you'll get access to a community of other women who are writing faith-based books just like you are. Sis, you do not have to do this alone. Come join the brand new Godlywood Girl Faith-Based Author School so you can get the tutorials you need, you can get the community you need, and most importantly, you can get the network that you need to step into your purpose as a faith-based author. I can't wait to see you there. Visit christianauthorSchool.com to fill out the application form and apply today. If you haven't yet started your author business, make sure you watch my free 3-day Start Your Book Business Challenge where I can show you how to get started. And don't forget to watch this next video that shows you even more resources to step into your purpose as a faith-based author. I can't wait to see you there.